Hello, this is Krishna, and thank you for joining me. What I'm going to show you today is how you can add an additional application to an existing server. So in some of the other, and if you want to follow along with me, I have a link in the description there, in the description over here, that you will be able to click and open an account if you need to, and to follow along. And if you already have your account, you can just follow along with me here. So in some of the other the other videos that I've made there, as I was creating, I wanted to create a server. I was adding a server to my account. At the same time as well, it was creating an application. So the main thing with that as well to know is a server need at least one application. So if you want to delete an application and it is the only application on that server, the software won't let you do that. Cloudways won't let you do that, right? So over here, I already have a couple servers available here, and basically those servers here, they only have one application, as we can see here. Okay, so if I come up here to the applications available to me, you're gonna see them here, and it lets you know on which server they were created over here. So if I come up here and decide to add an application, basically I'm just gonna click on this button here, and from here I'm gonna decide on which server I wanna have it loaded. So let's go with this one over here, and I'm gonna add the application. And over here I just need to select what kind of application I want. I've already gone for that, but just as a refresher, so we have WordPress and we have different type of WordPress installation. The first one over here is gonna have some plugins of Cloudways for some optimization, but if we want something clean, this is what we're gonna use. The multi-site over here, I haven't used it too many. I haven't used it, but it should give you access to several websites just from one application. So when we come up here, if you want to have WooCommerce in it, so it's going to download, it's going to install a WordPress website with the WooCommerce plugin. In case maybe you want a PHP or Laravel application or Magento, this is what you're going to use. So when I use the most, it's going to be this one. And over here, let us know, just because the server that we're on right now is a 1 GB, it's just letting us know that it's recommended to have 2 GB for production, right? The 1 GB is more for low site traffic and for staging website. So over here, for what I'm doing here, just doing this tutorial, this is fine. I'm gonna come up here and let me just say second application, and I'm gonna say e-commerce. Okay, and over here, this is the project. Like I say, it's mostly for organization, right? So this one I'm just gonna leave it over here, and then I'm gonna click over here on add application, and that's basically all that we need to do. Is gonna go ahead, create that application, and when it's done, we're gonna be able to have access to it. So it's doing it right now. Okay, it's gonna take about 2 minutes. So that's just what I wanted to show you on how you can go about and add an application. We're going to be able to dive a little bit deeper into those applications later on, what's available to us as options, right? But right now that application is being created, and we're going to leave the video over here. Thank you very much for joining me, and wish you a good day.